Hello, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Today, I got something special for you because we're going to attend what is probably the biggest rave on a bicycle in Amsterdam. I'm super stoked. It's organized by Don Whiting, who's become a bit of a internet phenomenon. And he started by just riding a bicycle with some speakers and a few mix tables and everything like that. Started riding it through cities, making music, and then people could just join along. And started out with pretty much no one watching him, then a few people, and then they grew out to this giant, massive event. And yeah, now it's gonna happen in Amsterdam, the bike capital of the world. So I got my bicycle with me. I'm ready to listen to some great tunes, have a good time. The weather is absolutely awful, but you know what? I got a raincoat, and it's not gonna stop me from having a good old time. So without further ado, let's see what it's all about.
All you guys at the back could let Pav through with the yellow speaker bike. If you could make way for him, that would be lovely.
But now searching for commitment and not the arms. I want to shelter you from harm. Don't be alarmed. Your attitude with the call. You got me stressing. Soon as I open up the door, just question. Like where can I be?
Everyone is a little bit in trouble.
There are bitches to be free. I can't breathe. As soon as I
That's okay, you can go. Road is blocked. And Dom is, how do you say? He's talking to the police. Might be the end. Yeah, no one's getting through. Guess they're now discussing what to do next because these are so many people. Cops there, just directing everyone to the forest of Amsterdam. There's people there that work there.
Which is over here, I suppose.
Ryan, we bring.
Thanks again to everyone that's come today. And, yeah, we're going to party on here for a bit. So thank you so much, Amsterdam.
We have a whole bunch of cop cars there that directed us to that place, and that's now the end of the party. So that's pretty nice wrap up. Good turnout despite the weather. It was awesome. Well guys, that's it for Drum and Bass on the Bike Amsterdam. Sorry I sound out of breath. It is absolutely pouring down outside, so I was trying to go to the car as fast as possible. Anyway, it was an absolute blast. I think this is the first time when a cop stepped in. you know, makes sense because we were kind of disturbing. I wouldn't say disturbing the peace, but just blocking traffic, you know, with how many people showed up, which is of course not exactly what was supposed to happen. He did have a permit, Dom, but yeah. But we were diverted by the cops to the forest of Amsterdam. Had a little bit of an after party there. And yeah, I think that was awesome. Great event. Happy to be there. You know, if you're watching it or you got inspired by this video, then I highly suggest you check it out. Atmosphere is great. If you love drum and bass, you're gonna love it. Just all in all, a great event. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'm JP, and I'll see you next time.